Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Women Fashion. So how are you friends? Today I am going to share with you beautiful, stylish, gorgeous, amazing, outstanding and most demanding office wear high heels and designs ideas for girls and women. So you will see in this video different style and type of high heel sandal designs 2022. You can wear these shoes in official parties and informal function. All designers are beautiful and stylish and are unique for those moments who like latest fashion and unique style of fashion. So friends, watch my video till the end so you don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because our design are latest, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of high heel sandal. You will find hundred of new designs, hundred of new ideas daily in my channel on fashion videos. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel Women Fashion for more fashion ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Beautiful, stylish, outstanding and gorgeous office wear high heel sandal designs ideas for girls and women. Please guys, like my video, share my video with your friends and family. Hopefully they will also like my video and wonderful collection. My video very useful and I have a unique and stylish latest fashion ideas. So guys, if you're loving these beautiful designs, do like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification full of my videos, so you will not miss any video of my channel on fashion. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Beautiful, stylish, outstanding, amazing office wear high heel standard designs ideas for girls and women. Do comment in this comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for PVGs on my previous video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. Goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon.